Hello guys, welcome to Gossipfunda. My name is Abhiyanshu Rao and today's topic is how to fix Chat GPT not available in your country. As an AI language model, Chat GPT is designed to be accessible from anywhere in the world. However, some users may encounter issues where Chat GPT is not available in their country. This can happen due to various reasons such as regional restrictions or internet connectivity issues. If you are facing this problem, here are some solutions that you can try to fix it. Method 1. Use a VPN. A VPN or virtual private network is a tool that allows you to connect to the internet through different locations. By using a VPN, you can bypass any regional restrictions that might be preventing you from accessing ChatGPT. Here are the steps to follow. Number 1. Download and install a reputable VPN service in your device. Number 2. Connect to a server located in a country where ChatGPT is available. Number 3. Open your web browser and try using ChatGPT. Method 2. Check your internet connection. If your internet connection is weak or unstable, you may not be able to access ChatGPT. Number 1. Disconnect from any VPN services that you might be using. Number 2. Close any unnecessary applications and background processes that might be using up your internet bandwidth. Number 3. Restart your modem or router. Number 4. Try accessing ChatGPT again. Method 3. Use a different browser. Sometimes the browser you are using might not be compatible with ChatGPT, or it might have an extension that's blocking access to the website. To fix this, you can try using a different browser. Here are the steps to follow. Number 1. Open a different web browser that you haven't used before. Number 2. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Number 3. Try accessing ChatGPT again. Method 4. Contact ChatGPT support. If none of the methods work, you can try reaching out to ChatGPT support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide you with the solution. Here are the steps to follow. Number 1. Visit the ChatGPT support page. Number 2. Look for the contact information or chat support options. Number 3. Explain the issue you are facing and ask for assistance. Conclusion. ChatGPT not available in your country can be a frustrating problem to deal with, but there are ways to fix it. By following the methods shown in this video, you should be able to access ChatGPT to take advantage of its features and capabilities. If you are still having issues, don't hesitate to reach out to ChatGPT support for help. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.